everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on to show you how I made these two tank tops using these glitter puff vinyl that I got from TeckWrap Craft. Yes, everyone, I said glitter puff vinyl. And here are some colors. Don't they look nice? OMG! TeckWrap sent me over their new collection of glitter puff vinyl. And I love how they look, all shiny and nice. Okay, here are the items we're going to use for our first one. I'll be using the green glitter puff vinyl. And I'll be using some of this gold that we have here, which is regular vinyl. And I'll be using this black tank top. And we have our cutting tool. We have our mat. We have our weeding tool, our brayer, and our cutting machine. And this is the image that we're using from Cricut Design Space. Now with the glitter puff vinyl, the shiny side goes face down on your mat. So we're just going to put it down onto our mat and use our brayer and smooth it out. And then we're just going to put it into our machine to be cut. Remember to mirror your images before you cut them. And then we're just going to peel it back from our mat. Cut off our excess piece that we don't need. I don't like wasting vinyl. And then we're just going to cut the rest of the pieces that we need for this one. And for our next project, we have a white tank top. And I'll be using some of the pink glitter puff vinyl and this regular HTV pink color here. And our second shirt will have this design. So like before, we're going to cut out our images, make sure we mirror them, and then we are just going to weed everything. So we are prepping everything before we go to our pressing machine. Respect that you didn't take that from me, girl. You respect yourself. Okay, so here is our pressing machine. So we're just going to put our tank top onto our machine and we are going to press it to take out any moisture. Okay, so now we're going to add our vinyl to our shirt. Just placing them where I want them, and then we're just going to press them. Okay, so we're going to give it a minute to cool. Now it's cool, so we're taking off the carrier sheet. And now it's time to add our puff vinyl. So I'm just going to lay it down inside, and then we are going to press it. Okay, it's not puffing up yet. I don't know what happened, but it's not puffing up. Can you see that? It's flat. Okay, I'm going to try pressing it a little bit more. Just hover the heat over it to see if that will help. Nope, it's still flat. Okay, I'm gonna check something and come back. Alright, you guys, I have the white tank top this time. And of course, I'm gonna preheat it, take out all the moisture, and then lint roll it and all that stuff. What I found out, I had to press a few pieces, and my temperature wasn't right. Everybody's machine is at a different temperature. You should really do a few test runs and see what temperature is best for your particular machine. Your machine. So anyways, I found that 325 at 15 seconds was good for me. So that's what I did. And then I took off the carrier sheet and then I pressed it again for another few seconds. And that worked. OMG! Look at this! Look how nice it looks! It puffed up. It's puffed up. So it wasn't the vinyl's fault. It was my error. My machine, my clamp machine, wasn't at the right temperature, which you should always do a test run so you could check. But I watched another YouTuber and this is how they did it, so I did the same thing. Doesn't that look nice? Okay, so now I'm going to lint roll and all that good stuff and put on my Capricorn princess onto the front. So I'm just positioning it now. And I'm going to take off the puff vinyl part and just press the regular HTV first. Let it cool. Then I peel it back. And now line up back our glitter puff vinyl. And now I'm going to puff it at the 325 for 15 seconds, which I did. Take off the carrier sheet. It still looks good, it's puffed. But I'm going to put the Teflon sheet over it and press it again for a few seconds. And there we go. Look at that. OMG. It looks so nice. And it is puffed. Capricorn princess. See, you have to check your settings when you're using vinyl. Alright, so here is the finished look of our shirts. I love the Capricorn princess. I love the pink puffed glitter. It looks so nice. And it feels nice too. And of course, Princess from Birth still looks good, although it was my error with my machine. But it still looks nice because it's a glitter. So it still turned out beautiful. I still got a nice tank top. And of course, here it is with the green. When I did it at the right temperature, the right way. See, it turned out so nice and it's puffed and it's absolutely beautiful. I love how it turned out. So like I said, make sure you test your machine to see what temperature is best for your particular machine. So I will leave a link below and a discount code to TeckWrap Glitter Puff Vinyl so you guys can go over and check them out and use my discount code to save some coins for yourself. So that's all your girls got for you. So remember to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.